Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Alibaba just several days ago, to be precise on November 18th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $157.71. And at this point my main assumption was that we were forming the bottom of the fourth wave. It was an ABC correction to the downside, and at this point I told you that potentially we might land somewhere lower, and then we might have a bounce to the upside that will be the beginning of a new uptrend to complete the fifth wave. And guys, take a look right here. We were somewhere at this point at $158 mark, and since I made my previous video, this asset went lower. It lost about 6.6% of its value, and immediately it bounced back to the upside. And for now, guys, as you can see on the pre-market hours, it is hovering around $158.44, and potentially it is the bottom of the fourth wave. And guys, this is the evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to receive this type of call to actions pretty much on a daily basis with the 100% risk-free money-back guarantee, you can use an unique offer of a Black Friday discount and join my Patreon account with limited time offer, Black Friday 50% discount. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
So, and on today's video, guys, I will show you what news might be the driver for this stock to its next level, and what should we expect next on a bigger scale. So, first of all, let's pay our attention to the general sentiment related to Baba stock. To do so, just type in Google search bar Baba stock and switch to new stock folder. And here is the news that grabs my attention. It was published just yesterday, and it's titled Alibaba stock price forecast. Baba shares rises to $152.93 as Qwen AI and cloud expansion ignite earnings momentum. And guys, here is the point where this article was published at 152 somewhere here dollars mark. And let me quote you just a couple of paragraphs, and let me show you this. Alibaba Group trades near $152.93, rebounding from a recent low of $148.64, driven by accelerating investment in artificial intelligence, data centers, and consumer technology. The company's AI-focused transformation and its expanding cloud intelligence business are re-establishing Alibaba as one of China's most powerful technology leaders, backed by over $55 billion in planned capex through full year 2028. AI transformation and the rise of Qwen. The launch of Qwen, Alibaba's rebranded AI chatbot replacing Tongyi, marks the company's most ambitious consumer-facing move since its founding. Built to rival ChatGPT, Qwen integrates deeply with Taobao, Tmall, and Alipay, offering AI-driven product recommendations, conversational commerce, and real-time merchant analytics. These integrations enhance Alibaba's ecosystem ecosystem efficiently and are expected to increase customer engagement and conversion rates across its 1.3 billion active users. And guys, I have to admit that Alibaba for now has all the chances to hit much higher price targets because of its AI division, and I told you multiple times in my previous videos that this asset is very interesting, and here is another evidence of this. You can see that just several days ago Citigroup and Mizuho Securities reiterated their ratings and they set the price target at $218 and $195 respectively, which implies about 42.55% and 27.51% of upside potential. On top of that, guys, here's the catalyst that will happen within the next 24 hours. Basically tomorrow on Tuesday, November 25th, they will publish their earnings report, and I believe that they will beat on expectations. You can see that the estimates are following: earnings per share at the level of 84.7 cents and revenue at $34.23 billion. And definitely with the assumption that they beat on expectations and with the major price targets that was set by two quite famous analytic firms, we might anticipate the beginning of new uptrend that will wait a second, I will switch to, let's say, 4 hours time frame, that will complete the third wave on a bigger scale and fifth wave on a smaller scale, and it will be a very good chance to catch its movement. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let's update this scale. I have to put this bottom as the lowest, where the lowest point of this retracement is, and this is the bottom of the C wave. You can see that if I remove all the tools, it is a clear ABC correction, and we have a first reaction out of this level to potentially begin a new uptrend. And what should we expect in the near-term perspective? If it is the real bottom, we have to adjust our price target of the top of the fifth wave. The most common ratio in between third wave and fifth wave is 0.786. It is the price point of roughly $210, $211. And from our current price, it might be, wait a second, up to 34% of upside potential with a downside potential of about, let's say, 6%, which means more than 6-to-1 risk to reward ratio is a very lucrative setup, and from the technical standpoint we have all the chances to hit this price target as long as this bottom holds. But guys, be cautious. Within the next 24 hours Alibaba will publish their report, and definitely if they beat all expectations, this will be a substantial price action to the upside. But if they miss something, and especially if the guidance are not so positive from for investors, it will retest lower levels, and in this case the level from $142.42 probably will be the next point of control from which this asset might have a reaction. And on a bigger scale, guys, let me remind you that if I zoom out to daily time frame, this asset, wait a second, I will show you right here, this asset almost completed its internal third wave, but then we have to see this movement to the downside and another leg to the upside that will complete the entire structure from this bottom that was established on April of 2024 to this top. And yes, this is quite choppy structure, but believe me guys, we have to see this reaction to the upside in a near-term perspective, and it will be a very good potential medium-term trade. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys until next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life.